In this video, we'll explore inequalities. Previously in math, most of the answers in math have been one specific value. For example, the answer is 5, or the answer is -8, or the answer is 12.6. But life isn't like that. Let's take, for example, the speed limit sign. The speed limit sign says that the limit is 35. So the speed which you can go must be less than 35. Shown on a graph, it would look like this. If this is 35, your speed would have to be less than 35. But 35 could be included, because if you were going 35, you would still be within the limits of the law. Let's take a look at the 20-ton bridge sign. With the 20-ton bridge sign, it says that the mass of the vehicle must be less than or equal to 20 tons. Well, on a scale, that would look like this. If 20 tons were here, your vehicle could be any mass that is less than 20 tons. So all of these values would be included. 20 tons would also be included, so that is shown with a closed dot. The same goes with the maximum headroom. In the maximum headroom, it needed to be less than 1.95 meters. So in this case, there would be probably be an accident if the vehicle was 1.95, if that represented 1.95, if there would probably be an accident if 1.95 is not included, but everything in here would likely be an accident waiting to happen and likely hit the top sign. So this time we use an open circle because if the vehicle is 1.95, then you would still be able to clear the sign. And in this one here, you must be older than 18 to ride the vehicle. So in that case, if 18 was here, to be able to ride the vehicle, you would have to be older than 18. But 18, on the day of your 18th birthday, it's also included. The people who couldn't ride the car, I'll show in blue. The people who couldn't ride in the car are people who are just under 18, and that is shown like this, showing that 18 is not included in that group of people who cannot ride the car. All right, the last one we want to take a look at is an interesting one for the playgrounds. And notice in this particular sign, the age has to be between 5 and 12. So the age of a person has to be greater than 5, but they could also be equal to 5. They also must be less than 12 or equal to 12. So in that situation, the graph would look like this. This is 5, and let's say here is 12. So 12 is included. The person may be 12 years old, and they may be all the way to here and including 5. Now, arguably, you are 12 all the way till your 13th birthday. So this should actually extend all the way over here with an open circle. So the day of your 13th birthday, then the playground was not made for you.